Alright, so welcome back to this class. This is your Igbo jss2 students. Third term, according to your third term scheme of work. Today we're going to look at mmeputa na mbawanye Akunauba n'ala anyi. To talk about how you can make money or how Nigeria makes money. Ihe ndị eji enweta ego, that's the heading you are seeing there. Ihe ndị eji enweta ego, the things that you can use or our country uses to make money. Alright, let me start from that ala, A-L-A. Ala bụ Nigeria so n'otu obodo Chineke gọziri. This land called Nigeria is one of the countries that God blessed. Yes, God really blessed us. O nwere ọtụtụ ihe dị iche iche na-aba mmadụ ụba. So this country has so many resources, so many things that can make somebody very wealthy, very rich, which you are going to see now. 1. Ihe akụkụ dịka, we have examples. 1. We have osikapa, we have rice farming. Rice farming, when you farm rice, you're a big boy, you make money. Number 2, akpu. This one is what? Cassava. Cassava is a byproduct of so many products. So don't neglect cassava. Some of you have told people enter agriculture, but you say no, you don't want to enter agriculture. No, agriculture is good. You survive by agriculture. You live by agriculture. In fact, everything you do in this life, you must get in contact with agriculture. Just look at it. When COVID-19 started and there were lockdown everywhere, hunger started happening. Food prices began to increase. That is today the importance of agriculture. Please, even if you're a medical doctor or any profession you find yourself, still invest your money in agriculture. Okay, the next one is millet. The next one is V. Ahokere. This one is rubber, okpete, otaba, nkwụ, and so many of them. Cocoa. This cocoa now use it to make cocoa. You use it to make tea. Alright, this is the rice. See this picture. Ugbo osikapa, which is rice farm. You see it? This is a rice farm. When I went to North, I saw their rice farm. Very big. So think about that. Okay. Now these ones I just mentioned here are the ones that Nigeria or you can make money from. Is under agriculture, agricultural industry. But this second one is under mineral resources. That are the things you can get from the ground, the nature, mineral resources. Number 1 is mmanụ ala, which is petroleum. Some of you that are in Bonny Island, you see that LNG is part of it. Petroleum. Number 2 is agba, bam, bam. All these zinc you see that are being gotten from the raw material is being gotten from the ground, through mining. We have the third one, which is iron. We have limestone. All these things are natural resources. Limestone, they use it to make cement. You see, Natural resources that you got it from the ground. How God blessed Nigeria. Which is coal. We have all our Edo. Gold that have been gotten in Nigeria. You have tin, you have zinc, you have lead, you have clay. All these things are things that are being gotten from Nigeria through what? The blessed natural resources that God gave us. Now look at, we have bread here, we have cereal, we have rice, we have pasta. This bread, the flour, we have cassava flour now, and other kinds of flour. See, these things are made of food that you eat. They are from all of them. Any food you eat is from what? Agriculture. So please don't play with agriculture. Don't neglect agriculture. You can make money, massive money from agriculture if you know your business. So we are going to look at some of the food ụfọdụ nri na Nigeria. Some of the food we eat in Nigeria. See this woman. This is akara. Akara. This is akara. I don't know if people call it in your language. This one is colors. Color. Aqua color. This is colors. You have cocoa. This one is cocoa. See the inside of cocoa. The seed of cocoa, they use it to make tea that you take. And so many of them. Now look at this classwork. Say, deputa number 1. Deputa ihe akụkụ ise. Ihe ọkụkụ ise a na-enweta na Nigeria. Write down the agricultural product, planted product you can get in Nigeria. 5 of them. Number 2. Dee ihe ewupụtala iri eji mara ndị Nigeria. Okay, write down 10 things that are mineral resources that you can get from Nigeria. Now look at ụzọ esi enweta ego, ways in which we can get money. The emanation of money. Ndị Nigeria nwere ụzọ dị iche iche ha si enweta ego. We have ego, which is paper money. We have paper money. They will have ego ochie. This one is early form of money, like cherry or cowries. These are early forms of money. You have this one, which is coin, ego igwe. These are the forms of money that we have used. People have not seen 1 naira coin. This is 50 kobo. We use coins in this country. These are the kinds of coins, money that form, money format that Nigeria uses. Even now, we now have what we call cryptocurrency, which is electronic money. Very soon, this paper money that you are using will soon be wiped out. You've been using electronic money. Now let's look at the ways in which we make money. One is ịzụ anụmanụ. Yes, when you train animals, you make money. Ịkụ azụ, fishing, you make money as well. Ịzụ osisi dị iche iche n'ime ọhịa. Yes, getting so many plants that is from the forest. For example, we have timber, we have rubber, we have mahogany, we have orchid. So many, these are big trees that will form into planks. And so many of them. Number 4, ịgba nta. Ịgba nta means going for hunting. Number 5, ịtụ mgbere. ịzụta ahịa tụkwasị ego n'ihe o jiri zụta. Ịtụ mgbere means trading. When you go to the market and buy something, you take it to another location and put your own price and sell. That is trading. And so many of them. This is atro, which is sheep. This one is atro mpi. Bighorn sheep. This one sheep, the big one. Bighorn sheep. Okay. Okay, this is where we'll stop for today. In our next class, we'll get over to the last topic, which is week 10. Thank you very much.